Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters, welcome to my channel if you're new here. Welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today we're going to have a look at the Papercraft Society box, and this is number 49. It's a card making magic box, and Christi Griffith is the designer of this box. Christina's message is create fun cards for everyone. Love, Christina. So this is the wallet we get, and this is the tissue paper that has more items inside. I'm going to set this aside for the moment and we'll have a look at what comes inside the wallet. Don't forget, if you're on social media and you like to share your makes there, to use the hashtag Papercraft Society. That way Craft Stash will get to see your lovely makes using this product. So we get some dies, some stamps, some pattern paper, and the first thing I'm going to look at is the dies. I was looking on the back there to see if there was a white background. So I have a piece of cardstock here. I'm going to bring that in. And we have a roof die. We have a sentiment shadow die. We have another little icicle from the roof. We have footprints. I love these. We have some snowflakes, and we have a lovely border with some hearts on it. These are gorgeous. We have another little icicle drop here, a snowflake here, and we have a sentiment there as well. And I'm not sure what the sentiment says, but it'll become more clear to us as we go through. So this is our stamp set. Isn't this fab? We have Santa in his sleigh. We have a little sleigh, we have some snowflakes, a small Christmas tree, we have some smoke coming from a chimney, we have season's greetings, Merry Christmas, we have another Christmas tree, we have footprints here as well, and these I believe will line up with the die set. We have some skis, we have two little houses, and we have this large rooftop, and I think that our die will work if we turn it over this way. Our die works with our rooftop. Isn't that fab? Lovely. So they are our dies and our stamps. I'm going to have a look now and see what's inside this package. So in our central panel we get these 8 pieces of cardstock. 4 is a non-shed, and it's like a rose gold glitter cardstock, and we get 4 pieces of pattern paper. So our pattern paper is lovely. This snowy sky, this lovely snow scene, another snowy sky, and another snow scene. These are fab. And don't forget, you can download these images onto your printer and print them off. You can either have them as 2 A5 images on an A4 sheet, or you could print up this large, you know, as this whole image as an A4, and I love being able to do that with my printer. So that's everything that we got inside the wallet. Let's have a look now and see what comes inside the tissue paper. So inside our tissue paper we have all of this. We've got some lovely iridescent sequins, or confetti, whatever you like to call them, and I hope you can see the shape of them. They're a little flower. They're silver iridescent, but you could also say they're like a snowflake. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. I think they're the nicest glitter I've actually seen in a while. I love those. We get some satin ribbon, and I think there's a meter of satin ribbon in this. We get some iridescent glitter. Lovely. We also get some white embossing powder. And then to finish it off, we get some coordinating cardstock. Now, I think we get 6 sheets. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we get 6. and in some lovely colors. We have a lovely navy blue, a lovely sky blue, and a lovely cloudy grey. Well, that's what I'm calling it. They're kind of a warm grey as opposed to a cold grey. We also get our booklet as well, and this is the lovely Christina. I'll put some glitter sequins out there for you. This is the lovely Christina, and she has designed this box of goodies. She has some inspiration for us here, and don't forget, like I said, you can download the pattern papers. There's lots of inspiration in this little booklet of cards that you can make using the products that came in the box. So that's it for this box. I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing, and until next time folks, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.